Let G and H be two non-empty subset of R where G is connected and the union of G and H is not connected. Which one of the following statement is true for all such G and H? If intersection of them is phi, then H is connected. If intersection is phi, then H is not connected. Means if option 1 is true from A and B, then other will be discard. If intersection is not equal to phi or non-empty, then H is connected. And if intersection is non-empty, then H is not connected. If one option is true from C and D, then other will be discard. So anyhow, if we can get the result or the solution, then we can easily discard other options. There is no need of constructing more examples to discard other examples. So first, what is the condition given to us and how to think this problem? As G is connected, also G is subset of R and this G is non-empty. H is also non-empty and H is subset of R. Condition imposed on G union H is that union is not connected. So what is the meaning of connected? Means in real line connected means there is no gap, or you can say we can join points by a horizontal line. So we have to remember one thing to solve this problem is a singleton set is always connected and intervals of R either open or closed will or semi will be connected. So we solve this problem by taking option one by one. So for option A, so consider G as G is connected. So you can take G as any interval. So consider as 1, 2. This is an interval G and this is connected. So condition as given on G is well defined. And take H is another set and union must be not connected. So we have to choose H as an interval. So union can miss some points. So you can take 3, 4, union 5, 6. So this is H. So G union H will be taking some points, or you can say as interval 1, 2, union 3, 4, union 5, 6. So it will be union of G and H. So you have idea some points are missing from 2 to 3. So G union H is not connected. Also, their intersection is phi. Their intersection, G intersection for option A, intersection is phi, and you can see H is connected because of we have missing some points here. We are missing some points here, so H is not connected. So option A discard here. Also, if intersection is phi, then H is connected. So H is not connected. So this option is also discard. H is not connected. And in option A is saying that as H is connected. So both options discard here. Or particularly you can take G or H as singleton set. If you consider G as a singleton set, suppose 1, and H is another set, suppose 2. So they are subset of R. Also, their union G union H will be 1, 2 means a discrete set, and this is not connected in R. not connected. In R, also their intersection is phi. So you can see that H is not connected, H is connected. Here H is connected. So we have to condition once we are saying that H is connected in one case, and in other case we are obtaining H is not connected. So keep remember, a statement either always true or always false. If particularly a statement is going to be true or going to be false, then we can't say a statement is true for that or a statement is false. So it is particularly true, not for always condition. So option A and B discard here. Now we have to check option C and D. So to check option C and D, intersection must not be phi, means non-empty. So you can consider another examples. So you can take, because in hypothesis it is given G is connected. So this is interval of R. So it is connected, and consider H, because we have to take intersection is non-empty. So we have to start some points, or we have to take some points of G. So you can consider H is half, start from half, comma 1, and you can take union of 3 by 2. It is also from this point, 3 by 2, comma 2. So H union, sorry, H union G or G union H, you can see here it will not be connected. Union is not connected because we are not getting interval. Also their intersection is not equal to phi, and you can see H is not connected. This set H is also not connected. So if intersection is non-empty, then we can say that H is not connected. Condition on H is not connected. So option D will be true and option C will be false.